This is a tricky part for my truck. Having that hard body on there. Sometimes those corners like to get in the way. There we go. And it makes it want to roll real easy. Good little hill. I can't see where I'm going. You can cross them any which way you want. No problem. I have them, they're just not hooked up. Oh no. There you go. Some people, the camera's bad luck. The second I turn this on, you got it. So just kind of an update. What we're doing out here today, this is where we have a few of our competitions. We put a little bit of work in without really disturbing the area, you know, making it less nature. But I mean, it's a floodway. This water floods through here. Not at the moment. It's bone dry. So we've been working on some of the hill climbs. This was a major bonus gate in our competitions, and after the first truck or two made it up, because they had to fight so much, there was divots and everything, so we tried to re-groom it, restore the hill climb. We worked on another one back further. I'll probably show you guys after. It's not doable yet. We still have a little more grading to do near the top. Chris's rig has made it almost all the way to the top. It's a good little rig right there. TRX4 based, right?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, that's Cliff. So yeah, I wouldn't mind some input for some other ideas on here, other than more hill climbs and some side hill. Moving the rocks, pain in the butt. Need some young fellers out here to help with that. Otherwise, not a bad day to just be out in the woods working away. Brought the Yoda today, you guys already seen that. Good Super Swamper 1.7s, I think I was told these are. That's what comes in the kit, so I imagine that's what they are. I like them, but they fill up with mud real quick. Okay, so what we're gonna do is he's gonna run Cliff around the course, and I'm gonna run the Yoda. I'm gonna go first. We got a route in mind, something like what we'd set up for a comp. Plus, we want to try, instead of coming down where those two little stones are and going over to the patio stones, we're gonna try making it all the way down. So you guys might see some carnage. Stay tuned. Start down here because it'll just be easier. We're not timing it or anything, we're just going. Oh yeah, it's a little slick. You can already see we got some nice little divots from previous attempts. I'm going to set the camera down right here for this. Hopefully it's in frame. If not, sorry guys, if I even leave that part in. Assist. Okay, we also didn't gauge. Oh, I got a low battery. We didn't gauge how the distance was. It's alright for this guy. Through the weeds, I didn't get over here and trim. It does start to narrow a little on this end. Alright, I'll hold here while Chris runs Cliff up. You see Cliff make his pass around here now. I know the one comp we had, Zach knew his truck was going to be too wide for the parallels. So he like record speed took the spacers off, put tires back on, and he was able to do it. No problem at all. No, I don't know, you might just fit. Yeah, look at that, and you're worried for nothing. No, you weren't worried, you were concerned. As long as you weren't satisfied, that's a younger generation thing. Oh no! So you got a little more tread on them rears. They could bite in and pull it up. And this would still count. You get all the way across there like this, it would totally still count. See that rear axle just sliding along. Does he get extra points for a rail slide? Almost across, 3/4 of the way. You can do it. Stuck on a weed. Tromp down some weeds. Oh yeah. Not at the woods yet. Ta-da! Alrighty. Alright, next we're gonna go up and around this tree here, and we're gonna go down that hill there, you know, like truck stuff. So if I put a gate up here, I would force people right into this kind of situation. So to go through the gate, you'd have to tackle the insides of both those rocks. Make the suspension do its work, right? This is going to be mighty tricky. Oh my god, I just seen an outcome of this. Okay, it could tip and land right on that rock. So I'm standing by. If you love your truck, stand by your truck. Oh geez, I don't need to go Weird Al on that. Oh! Well, that's about as carnage as I got. Let's see what Chris has got in store for you. slightly different approach than I took. Ooh. There you go, then up under the bridge. Had to throw a little 2JZ power into that. Dang lack of portals, let me tell you. I'll tell you what. Something must have changed about the top of that.
It seemed easy, didn't it?
Yeah.
Compared to past times, I guess.
So we're coming down here? Yeah. Extra points for stopping and holding. Now it's a little extra work without the portals. That's only a 10-2 with a little extra weight on there. The fusion helps. So, and that's a TRX4. You know, like a bit of brass underneath it. Hang on a sec. I'm gonna lift the booty on your truck for a minute. See, you build a truck right. You add just the right amount of weight. This thing's pretty heavy, by the way.
There's more in the other truck. This one's not as heavy.
And you've gone through the effort to keep, by having like a competition setup, you've kept your weight low. So you've done really well that way. Alright, I guess just up this hill and over the bridge. Hang on a sec. You give a tasty little treat right here. Oh, not so tasty, is it? Oh, too far. Wow, really? You see my struggle here? It's a struggle, I tell you.
The wheels keep staying off today.
How'd you get off track?
Well, yep.
Not over that.
No, that's what I'm trying to do.
Stick to just the inside of that little stick wall there. Oh yeah, I guess there's some sticks in the way, eh?
Yeah, that's why I was kind of looking and say, how did we come across it?
Guess we just gotta be creative. You want me to go down first? Or are you stuck?
I'm just trying to get where I can see you get past that stump.
A little bit of side hilling, a little bit of slipping. Oh, that was brutal.
If I could do it without shooting it.
Oh, I got a mosquito flying up my armpit. And one on the back of my hand. Wow. Casualties of filming. Yeah, that was without flooring it. I hope half of it was at least in frame.
I wanted to see if I could throw a bonus. So now we gotta come.
Oh, we can try the bonus hill.
Turn around up the snow.
I know I'm not going to make it up that. We've already put divots in it. But if you want to give her a go. Yeah, this was a good example what you guys just saw of kind of what we set up for some of our runs. But there would be gates involved and penalties for hitting the gates. Oh, come on! There you go. Maybe I should give it an honest effort. With the Yoda for the audience. All 20 to 50 people who may tune in. Oh! You know when you see the body buckle.
Caved the roof on it. It's taking a beat.
Such an innocent looking hill, right? I notice when it hooks left, that's when it wants to come back on itself. Yeah. You got this, Yoda. Come on. That would have been horrible. See, if I let up, it wants to come back on itself.
Because it gets that traction all of a sudden, right?
Yeah. And if
You're so far into it, it's hard to do it slow. You need it.
oh,
Slowly climb out of it. The throttle on that. There it is.
holy hell, guys! This is like such an innocent looking hill, right? Yeah, right. That took everything that little 10.2 Yoda had. Such a peaceful place to be. Nice relaxing area to come run the truck, so we aren't going to mess anything up. Already done more than nature already has. So Chris is going to try this here. This is an impossible spot. I've even seen it reject John's truck. The yellow bug, I should say, not a truck. Chris has figured something out. Not that try. The camera's going to make it 10 times harder. You know that. Always does. There's definitely a trick to it by the looks of it. I swear guys, he's done this spot twice already today. Twice or 3 times. Look at that. See that, John? Because I know John's always watching. Look at that. He just did it. But I mean, it's dry enough today. It could have been slick the day John was trying. This spot here, I got up it with the Yoda. No, I didn't get up it with the Yoda. I did get up over there though. It's the thing, I'm running a more scale truck with the hard bodies, a more scale, more weight. I could come up with 1,000,001 excuses why it didn't do it. Gladi would do it though. I know my Gladiator would do it. Alright, enough rambling and talking away. I'll pack up our things and we're out of here. So, on that note, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit a hashtag randomRC so that I know you were here and I know you've been watching. We'll talk to you soon. Vlog over. Oh yeah, like, share, subscribe, all that crap.